In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store notes in projects in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your specific Asana project. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the Overview tab. This is your project's central place, and it's where all the magic begins. As you scroll down the Overview page, keep your eyes peeled for the section titled Key Resources. This is where you can gather all the essential information related to your project. Now, this is an important step. You need to click on the option that says Create Project Brief. This will open up a document dedicated to your project notes. Now that you have this document opened up, it's time to enter all the critical information and project objectives. Think of this document as a central hub for your entire team. When everyone has access to the same information, it fosters collaboration and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. So make sure to be thorough. Any objectives, timelines, or key milestones that your team needs to keep in mind should be included here. After you've populated your project brief, you might be wondering what to do next. That's great, because there are more features to explore. Look toward the top of your project screen where you'll see the View tabs. This is where you can find additional options to enhance your project management experience. To add an avenue for communication, just click on the plus icon next to the tabs. This will bring up a selection, and you'll want to select Messages. By doing this, you're creating a dedicated area for communication within the project. It's a fantastic way to keep everyone on the same page, especially when it comes to sharing updates and detailed notes. Once your new Messages tab is created, feel free to post updates relevant to the project. This can include anything from progress made to changes in timelines or any feedback from team members. The Messages tab allows for a fluid exchange of information, making sure everyone involved in the project feels included and informed. Now let's take a moment to verify that your notes and updates are easily accessible to everyone involved in the project workspace. This is key to maintaining a successful workflow. Remember, the goal is to streamline communication and make it simple for your team to find all necessary details in one place. So to recap, you've opened your Asana project, navigated to the Overview tab, created a project brief for essential notes, and established a Messages tab for ongoing communication. That's it. You're now well on your way to mastering project management in Asana. I encourage you to check your work, double-check that your notes are organized, and your Messages tab is functioning as it should. It's these small steps that lead to a more productive team environment. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Asana experience.